How to make money with Google AdSense. The truth. In this video session, I'm going to share with you proven tips and insights for you to definitely consider if you're thinking of using Google AdSense. Basically, if you were to sign up with Google AdSense, what Google AdSense wants you to do is place a code on your website so that Google can show ads. So that's the basic part of Google AdSense. But how do you earn a decent income? If you're just beginning, first, understand the importance of doing your research. Instead of just creating content for some industry. You have tools available, as in Google makes available tools for you to use, and you want to utilize them. Now, understand this fact about Google Ads. You don't have to advertise with Google Ads, but to be able to use this powerful tool called Keyword Planner, whereby you can search specific search patterns and get results, as in get an idea as to the type of content that you want to create. For example, in this basic example, let's say I want to create a website related to cars, right? In this example, sell my car as a keyword, someone is willing to pay $13.40. But cars for sale, someone is only willing to pay $1.76 to show ads. Your Google AdSense is connected to Google, as in Google Ads. So, before you create content, as in before you select the subject matter, before you pump out content, do this research. This is very important. Also, if you've read anywhere on internet telling you that you can earn money using Google AdSense by using free website platforms such as Blogger or free WordPress sites, don't do that. Why? It's the way Google works. So I won't go into depth as to explain to you how Google works at that level. But anytime you create free websites on, let's say, Blogger, that's actually not a domain per se, but it's a subdomain. And as far as Google rankings work, you need to have your own website. Okay? Now, I recommend using WordPress because Rank Your YouTube channel and Rank Your blog shows you how to easily install WordPress. And WordPress is the content management system that simplifies content creation. So, to be able to earn a decent income, you first do your research about the subject matter you want to create content for. Then it's your ability to drive website traffic, as in targeted website traffic, for an industry that pays more compared to some other industry. Make sense? So I can't tell you which industry that you should focus on, but you simply choose one industry, say, okay, you know what? Obviously, that particular industry is paying more compared to others. You do your keyword research to see which ones they are. Then, you say, okay, now I'm going to create a website that is your own and you have full control over it instead of some free blogger business. Because if you want to earn a decent income, that's the only way, or else you'll be just swimming on dry land. Next, you do this. You simply say, okay, you know what? I've chosen the industry. Let's say how-to type of things. Let's say crazy domains in this example. Because I use crazy domains, and I'm affiliated with them. So I have to say to myself, okay, you know what? Can I create tutorials related to this? Because I'm familiar with it. And then looking at this, let's take a look at this example here. People also asked feature. Right, so now I'm going to show you a trick here that you should definitely consider using for Google AdSense too. Why reinvent the wheel? Right, so let's just put out a content related to this search pattern, because Google search is showing me that people are asking these types of questions. So now using Google AI, okay, create a blog post in HTML format, so I can copy/paste for this title equals, let's just put that, and watch what happens now. This is how you do it, because this is the tool that you have, you can easily use. Now, to be able to use others, sure, you can use ChatGPT or even DeepSeek. So now I've just created content. Because I'm familiar with all this, I'll do it like so. I'll quickly clean it up, but you could have easily prompted the AI for whatever you want to create. Let's apply source formatting. Okay, let's just cut that out, because I have the tools, and you need to have these tools available to you. So they are available to you, use them. So now I just put that, let's put it in this category, web hosting. We're using WordPress. I've installed an SEO plugin. Why even create meta description? Use the tools available. So that's going to go ahead and create that for me, right? So I know I'm going a little bit fast. You may need to pause or rewind this video, because I want to share with you great tips and insights, correct? So now let's just copy all this and just put out our content. Go back here and just let's grab this meta description. Okay, now voila. I don't see, because you're using AI tools, they'll end up generating these emojis and all that stuff. Don't use them. It doesn't look professional, and it's also a dead giveaway. Now there you go. Okay, there's some issues here. Let me go and sort that out. I don't like these classes. So you don't need to learn all this HTML stuff, but if you use the tools correctly, tools available to you correctly, you can easily pump out content. Okay, there's a code here. I don't want to use that. Because you want to make your content easily digestible by your website visitors. Your website should be simple, easy to understand, and optimized to a level which is a straightforward process. Now look what we've done here. Just use the AI tool to create the blog post. Right, so okay, there's codes here, I can easily remove them, right? So let's keep this video short. Let's leave it at that. Now, if you were to do just this, this is not good enough. Instead, you need to go a little bit more deeper, like so. How do I point my domain to Crazy Domains hosting? Right? So I can say, okay, you know what? Can I create some images quickly and easily? So whatever the subject matter, whatever the tool that you're using, understand how important it is to have original content. Not just use AI to pump out text only, but rather say, okay, there's zone editor here. I can use that. I can say manage. Let me add a record. Okay, let's create a new image. Let's cut that out. Okay, just as a sample, these are important parts of creating content. Okay, now let's save. Shows DNS records. Okay. Now all I need to do is just upload that for this tutorial, right? There you go. At least have alt attribute. Let's preview now. Now I've got an original image, right? But let's imagine you want to earn a decent income, and not just for today, but tomorrow, next month, next year. That's why you need to have original content that's useful and easy to understand. Original content is not just text, it's also images. But I'll show you this. You can see that this is AI generated YouTube channel, and I know for a fact that they're trying to earn a bit of money here. So you can put videos on your website too. Let's imagine, where do kangaroos sleep? You can filter YouTube and grab Creative Commons videos. These videos you can use because their license is Creative Commons. So now you can search YouTube and grab a video as well. And then just let's grab this one. Let's share, select embed, copy the code as an example only. Let's just put that there. And now look what happened. We've also got a free video content on our website. We've included 1 or 2 original images. Now I could have done this as in created a blog post like this in about 5 or 10 minutes. That's what you need to do as well if you want to earn a decent income that you can be comfortable with. So let me wrap it up quickly. It's the subject matter of the content that you create will determine the profitability for your efforts. That's why you need to use Keyword Planner tool. Next, you look at Google search and look at question-oriented words to begin with. Because if people are asking questions, you want to answer them on your own website. Use the tools available to you, whether it's Gemini, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek, and streamline your content creation. Word of advice, do not just copy-paste content from AI tools, but rather add something that is unique, because Google can work all that out. As in, how do I point in this example? I can say, okay, why choose web hosting? And I can add a sentence or 2. When you create content, remember this. Don't shy away from linking to external websites. As in, if the outlink complements the content, then you want to outlink. Okay. Before I close up, remember, you can easily share other people's videos utilizing the filters and looking for YouTube videos with Creative Commons license. While here, you can also, if you are subscribed to, let's say, Google Pro Edition for Google AI, then you can create original, short videos using AI as well. Why would you want to do that? It's all about useful, original content that you need to streamline creating. So these tools will help you to put out, let's say you're a student and you want to earn an income using AdSense part-time, right? So you can say, okay, you know what, each week I'm going to create 20 blog posts. So if you were to sit down and write that 20 blog posts, it's going to take you hours. But then why not use the AI tools and then add your own complementary insights within it? Because you don't just copy paste content from AI tools, but you need to add your own voice within it so that it's original. You can utilize tools such as image effects to create original images as well. Short videos using AI video generator. If you say, you know what, I want to invest, $20, $30 per month using these tools. But there are others available as well. You tap into other people's content and efforts by using Creative Commons videos, because then you just don't have a blog with some text like everyone else is doing, or copying images from other people, but rather having your own unique content. That's unique text, unique images, unique videos, because that's what Google is looking for. Because then you're focused on user experience. Also, once you start earning better income by showing Google AdSense ads, you can also sign up with affiliate marketing. There are tools on the internet that allow you to quickly put out links, so then you're covering both angles. Perhaps you can do that later on, but why not explore it? And remember, you don't have to use online tools. You can perhaps contact businesses that is near you and say, you know what, I'm driving website traffic to my quality website. Do you want to advertise on it? And I promise you, if you were to bring people to your website and have content strategy in place, as in put out quality content on regular basis, and as long as you can drive website traffic, local businesses near you, they will pay because advertising works. So that is the truth for making money using Google AdSense. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You need to be patient and you need to be consistent. Do your research and stay the course. Because at the beginning, you're not going to earn a huge income. And you may be thinking, you know what, I'm putting out all this content, I'm investing my energy, but I'm not getting the results. At that moment, your long-term strategy will see you through. Meaning, just say this to yourself. By the end of this year, I'm gonna have, let's say, 1,000 blog posts. And then you stay the course. Because then, at the end of the year, when you look back, you say, okay, you know what, now I'm earning my money. Because at the beginning, if you check your reports in AdSense, in the first month, you may get $1 or $2. And you may think, you know what, it's not working. But the fact is, it will work if you stay the course and follow these insights. Once again, you have to have your own website. I thank you for learning with Rankia. If you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like and share it. And if you've got any questions or comments, use the video commenting section. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.